Well, good evening. Williams, Philippines here. It is Wednesday, September 10th, uh, 2025, and it is about 5 minutes to 10 p.m. Uh, boy, come in yesterday after, well, long day. Started off laundry, walked it all the way down, and walked over, got breakfast, came back here, piddled around here doing stuff. Then I got dressed up and ready to go out the door and went out the door and did a bunch of wandering out. Went and got my passport visa back, my extension to my visa. Uh, yeah, got that done. Hit them all, hit them all. Yeah, I'm figuring out how to get back from over there, and I think I found out how to get over there. Uh, there's a particular one that goes over there, and then yeah, it actually stops literally across the street. I got a ride with it back over to another mall that I know, Pacific Mall. So I'm getting the routes figured out how to get over there. Uh, I think I have to ride that one over and then come back, or to find out when it's closest to there on the way over. Because I don't think they follow the exact route because that area is a one way coming in to that area. At least I think so. It's confusing over here. Uh, Yesterday was a bit of an expensive day. I bought some lechon, my boy, that roasted, whole roasted pig. Oh, that stuff's so good. That stuff is horribly expensive, but that stuff is so good. Uh, yeah. Hauled off, brought some in, set dinner down, set it up, and ate. I was still in the process of eating when I realized my feet were hurting. So I got up, went over, took my shoes off, went over, sat down. Yeah, I was taking the socks off. Somewhere in the process, I stretched. The next thing I know, it's like a little before midnight, and I'm waking up. And I go to the bathroom and I come by and I see dinner still sitting up here because literally I had fell asleep with food on the counter. So I come back by it on the way back to the bed and left food on the counter. Crawled back in bed and I woke up and it was noon. Or not noon, but 7. So 12 hours. Uh, yeah, that was a very good sleep. Uh, I needed it apparently. But yeah, what's worse is I got up and ate, and then I crawled back in bed. Slept till noon. But yes, I got well over 6 miles yesterday walking, and I don't know about y'all, but yeah, I'm not even sure that the steps on those my watch actually register right because I know for a fact I was up and down the 2 flights of stairs there, and you have to go up 2 flights to get here, and then you got to go back. Yeah, I know for a fact I went up 2 flights of stairs 6 different times. I went down 2 flights of stairs 6 different times. It registered 3. Yeah, I really think they are off on those sensors in some way, or maybe it's just the fact that I've sweated into the case on it holds my sweat and gets up under there and makes it hard to hit the buttons. I'm wondering if maybe it got inside and messed with it some way. I don't know. Uh, but I'm pretty sure the sensor's off. But it is what it is. I'm not going to argue about it. And this on the watch, it says I got the 6 and a bit over, so I'm okay with that. I know I did more. I'll be glad to take and try to get out and do it again tomorrow. I'm trying to stay well above the 3.5 mile mark, period. My average has been getting up to 4, even with a day like today and just barely doing anything. Even on these days, I'm getting like 2.5, 3. So, uh, short days can be okay too. Uh, but I'm okay with that. And I had a good day. I had a phone call from my aunt. Uh, I thought I had my mail going where it was supposed to, but apparently they got my address over to hers with my name on it instead of going to where it was supposed to go and through my post office box, or going to my old address and getting rerouted back with a sticker on it saying, no, go to this address instead. Somewhere or another, they got a one and sent it directly to her address. So, yeah, sorry. I'm wondering what's up with that. But then again, uh, the fact that I was getting 3 pieces of email, or not email, but mail from the uh, cable company. One to occupant at my old house, one to me, and one to the lady before me. I lived there for 18 and a half, 19 years. Oh no, 19 years. And I'm still getting mail for her because they still have her listed as there. Because, hey, cable companies need to make sure everybody's on their system. And apparently, sending out halfpenny mailers is, yeah. How about we do this? Stop making them halfpenny, start making them 10 cents each, like our postcards cost us. Oh, and start charging them actual regular 50 cent or whatever a stamp is now to businesses. Businesses are who send out the most mail. I know they give them a break, but yeah, stop it. Keep the mail system working, start charging the businesses, especially cable companies who, oh yeah, send out 3 things to the same damn address for the same. Just saying. I don't know. Maybe I'm nasty mean. When it comes to doing businesses, you know, I don't think they should get a break. I mean, yes, we want them to be businesses. We want them to be productive. We want them to, sorry about that, make wise choices. But wasting money and the post office losing money because businesses are, yeah, and they're giving them breaks. And the post office is going out of business. U.S. mail. Why? I don't know. We're going to go out of business taking care of everybody because the government taxpayer will make sure we stick around so we can be as lousy at the job as we possibly can, give all the businesses free shit, and make it a 50-cent stamp for the people. Yeah. Start charging businesses. That's half the reason that Amazon is profitable. Just saying. They make a killing off of not having to pay for shipping with the U.S. Post Office. Just saying. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but I had a good day. I got some things done. Oh, crap, I did. Hmm. All I know is I'm ready for the day to be over with. It's been a long one, and I've eaten well. Got to talk to family. Oh, gosh. I love my aunt, and I will talk to her forever. Problem is, talking to her forever uh, now eats up my phone plan. Oops. It's okay. Uh, I don't mind spending the money on those that I feel are worth it. She's worth it. Uh, yeah. And I call and talk to other friends and families and deal with them because I feel that they're worth it. Believe me, I don't like having to spend money on somebody else. Same issue. It's part of the reason I was grumbling about mailing stuff. I had a battery charger coming here and a couple of packages of electrolyte drinks and a new cover for my watch. What in that isn't able to be shipped here? Hmm? I don't know. Amazon stopped my order at the border or something. I don't know where. I think actually they caught it in California, but I got an email from New York. I don't know. But why am I getting an email from New York for something that got stopped in the process of shipping in California? Amazon. And it took me a bit to find out why that happened. Yay, Amazon. Yeah. Them I grumble at, especially when they waste 5, 6 minutes with a unintelligent, stupid answering machine that, yeah, gets me to where, oh yeah, I should have been already, oh yeah, 5, 6 minutes ago. And I'm paying for those minutes. So Amazon costs me, and I don't like that. Yeah. To find out what happened, and apparently a battery that is not a lithium ion battery and is perfectly capable of flying. But Amazon is weird and won't do it. But it was marked free shipping to the Philippines. Yeah, I don't know. Explain that one to me. Anyway, this is William Williams, Philippines. I hope you've had a blessed day. And, today has been a short day, but productive, and I'm ready to go to sleep. So, William Williams, Philippines, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Oh hey, fun stuff. Uh, Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. Another one of those pop ups. And I'm William. Do what you do. I'm doing what I do. You know, everything between your left ear, your right ear, your heart, head, and God is you. Figure it out and do you. So if you want to like, comment, subscribe, come along for my insanities, or run away, I don't care. It's your choice. I'm still trying to get my SSD drive is missing from inside my suitcase, and I can't find it. And I'm not positive where it was there before I got here, but I think it might have been in the one that got hit at the airport. All I know is I'm missing SSD drives, a couple of them. And yeah, I got to figure something out because apparently the ones that I had that are capable of being run by my phone, well, they don't need the extra power. But the one that I have left wants too much juice for my phone to handle it. So, yay, trying to get things done. Anyway, y'all have a good day and blessings. William Williams, Philippines. I'm out. Later blessings. Bye bye. Fish is out.